हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके पहले लेक्चर में हमने फर्स्ट नंबर चैप्टर सेट्स एंड रिलेशंस कंप्लीट किया है। ओके, सो सेट्स एंड रिलेशंस के सेकंड नंबर चैप्टर फंक्शंस हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इस सेशन में। ओके, सो फर्स्ट जो चैप्टर था उसमें जो सेकंड पार्ट था रिलेशंस, उसमें हमें एक्चुअली फंक्शन, डोमेन, कोडोमेन, रेंज इसका स्टडी किया। फिर भी कहीं यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट इस फंक्शन चैप्टर में हम उसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग क्या है फंक्शंस को यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं। फर्स्ट second number chapter functions. So definition of function is a function from A to B. Okay, दो सेट्स है यहाँ पे, A सेट और B सेट। तो A, B, C, D, these are elements of set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, these are elements of set B. Okay, A set और B set. A function from A to B is a relation in which associated each element X, each element in A set associated X in which A to a unique element Y in B. Okay, consider A, B, C, D as X element, 1, 2, 3, 4 as Y element, and these are belongs to A set and Y element belongs to B set. So a function from A to B is a relation in which associated each element X in A to a unique element Y, to a unique element Y in B, or exactly one element, means relation between elements A have a image. These are the elements in set A, and जो elements of set B है उन्हें हम image कहते हैं. Okay, so each element X associated with X as a each element have unique element in Y. So then Y is expressed as Y is equal to f of X. Means इसमें कुछ रिलेशंस है. So you can take y is equal to x square, y is equal to e raised to x, means x as an element of set A and y as element of B. अगर आप y is equal to x plus 1 ये फंक्शन है. ओके, y is equal to x plus 1, so x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. अगर x is equal to 0 पुट कर रहे हैं तो y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means y is equal to 2. Okay, where x is elements from set A 0, 1. Okay, and y is elements in set B. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 0 or 1. Okay, means each element in A has relation with each element in B. Okay, that is called the function. Y is expressed as y is equal to f of x. So y is image of x under f. Y is nothing but image of x under f. So here set A is called as a domain. Okay, this is domain. All elements A, B, C, D, these are elements from domain set, and B is called as a codomain. Okay, B set is called as codomain. Now each element in set A have only one unique element in B. Okay, here A is associated with 3, B element associated with 3, C associated with 4, and D with 2. Means each element have a one element in B. So therefore R1 is where function. So here R1 is where function. Second example again यहाँ पे A have a unique element 1 in set B. B and C have one common element 2 in set B, but D element which does not have any element or image in D. Okay, means R2 is not a function. Okay, so element D in A is not associated with any element in B. Means is D element set A में जो D element है उसी इमेज नहीं है. ओके, और it is not have associated with any element in B. It is not associated with any element in B. Next, therefore R2 is not a function. Next R3. So R3 is also not a function because element A in A is associated with two elements in B. Okay, element A is associated with two elements 1 and 2. Okay, so definition है a function from A to B, a relation in which associated each element in X, each element in X have a unique to element in Y. Okay, means इस एलिमेंट को एक ही इमेज चाहिए, इस यहाँ पे एलिमेंट ए को दो एलिमेंट्स है इसमें भी, so therefore R3 is not a function. So element A in A is associated with two elements in B. Okay, next types of functions. Okay, next type of functions: one function oblique one-to-one function oblique injective functions, and second is on-to oblique surjective functions. Now first definition of one functions: each element in A have a distinct images in B. That is definition of one function is each element in A have a image in B or different distinct images in B. That is called one-to-one or injective functions. Okay, so here this is a one functions. Okay, the definition है one-to-one or injective. Each element in A have image in B. Okay, मतलब each element in A have a different distinct image in B. So A have image 1, B have 2, C के लिए 4 और D के लिए 3. Means each element in A, set A have distinct image in B. So that is called one-to-one or injective function. Next, on-to function. Okay, every element Y in B, every element Y in B is an image of some X in A. Okay, definition: every element in Y have a every element Y have a every element in Y in B is an image of some X in A. Okay, every element Y in B is an image of some X in A. Every element from this set B is an image of set elements in A. So compulsory all elements in set B is image of elements. Okay, so here this is onto because each element in B 1, 2, 3, 4 are images of element in B. All are images. Okay, 1 is also image, 2 is also image, 3 is also image, 4 is also image. That's why this is called an onto function, onto or surjective function. But this is not an onto function. Okay, yeah, this is not an onto function because here 5, this element is not an image of any element in A. Okay, means यहाँ पे 5 एक element ऐसा है कि वो image नहीं है किसी element का set A में से. So that is this is not an onto function. यहाँ पे एक onto function because all elements are images of elements in A. Okay, these are two important types of that is functions. Next, let us solve some examples from exercise 2.1. Question number 1 from exercise 2.1. Check following relations are functions. Okay, your following relations are functions or not functions. So first, all elements in A. Okay, all elements in A have a different images in B. Okay, 2 have -3, 1, 1, -1, 1. Okay, so all elements will have images in B. Okay, means all elements have a images in B. Therefore, it is a function. It is a function. Okay, first given is a function. Next, second. तो सेकंड में क्या हो रहा है? P have image in A, Q, C, R, B, and R is D, S, O, E. So here it is not a function. It is not a function because element R in A have two images in B. Okay. Second one function नहीं है. R element from set A have two images B and D. दो images. So therefore this is not a function. Different images होना चाहिए. Okay. So each element in A have unique element. Means एक one to one element होना चाहिए different. But R have a two elements B and D. Therefore this is not a function. So third में क्या हो रहा है? तो 3 have image 7. So minus 2 element in set A have no image in B. मतलब minus 2 को image नहीं है. So this is also not a function. It is not a function because minus 2, this element minus 2, because oblique minus 2 have no image in B. तो यहाँ पे एक एलिमेंट ऐसा है -2 जिसे इमेज नहीं है सेट B में. तो दिस इज नॉट ए फंक्शन. ईच एलिमेंट को इमेज चाहिए और वो भी डिफरेंट इमेज चाहिए. यहाँ पे R को दो इमेजेस है और यहाँ पे -2 को इमेज नहीं है. तो ये दोनों फंक्शन नहीं है और इट इज अ फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट सेकंड नंबर क्वेश्चन. Next question number 2. Which order pair represent function? Justify. Okay. Question number 2 is exercise 2.1 में से which order pair represent function? Okay. A सेट दिया है यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4. B सेट दिया है -1 0 1 2 3 4. Okay. So which order pair represent function? So this is given ordered pair, set of a ordered pairs. So this is a function or not? एंड हमें यहाँ पे आंसर का जस्टिफिकेशन करना है. सो फर्स्ट अगर इसका दो सेट अलग अलग यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. ओके. यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग सेट कर सकते हैं. सेट ए एंड सेट बी. सो सेट ए में एलिमेंट्स है. ओके. 1 2 3 4. सेट बी में एलिमेंट्स है -1 0 1 2 3. ओके. Okay. So first order पे 1 to 0. 1 से 1 to 0 means 1 have an image, 0 in set B. 3 3. Okay. So 3 2 3. Next 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 4 1. So 4 के लिए 1 in. 2 2. Okay. Again 2 2 2. Okay. Which order pair represent a function? So, according to definition of function, each element have a distinct unique element in B set. But यहाँ पे 1 के लिए image 0 है. So, element 2 have a 2 images. Element 2 के लिए एक -1 और second 2 है. Okay. So 2 image के लिए -1 और 2. So therefore it is the ordered pair. Set of ordered pair is not a function. और क्लास में क्वेश्चन जस्टिफिकेशन देना है because so element 2 in set A have two images in set B. Okay. So 2 के लिए दो images -1 और 2. So therefore this is not a function. Next example. So this is order set of pair or it is not functional or not. Next, अगर यहाँ पे आप सेट A और B के दो डायग्राम्स यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं. So first set 1 2 3 4 -1 0 1 2 3. Okay. So 1 to 2. 1 1 to 2. 2 to -1. 2 का इमेज -1. 3 का इमेज 1. ओके. 3 का इमेज 1. 4 के लिए 3 है, तो 4 का इमेज 2. Every element in set A have a different element or one element in set B. So 1 के लिए 2, 2 के लिए -1, 3 के लिए 1 and 4 means every element in set A have a different images of different elements in B. So it is a function. Therefore, it is the ordered pair is a function because each element in set A have unique element in B. Okay, so this is the answer of second number question. Next question number 3 from same. Next question number 3 from exercise 2.1. If f of m is equal to m square minus 3m plus 1 quadratic equation. So find f of 0 first, second f of minus 3 and third f of x plus 1. Okay, so answer first to find f of 0. Okay, so f of 0, therefore put value of m is equal to 0 means 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 1. So answer is 1. F of 0 is 1. Next, second f of minus 3. Okay, find the value of f of minus 3. So put the value of m is minus 3 in your equation. So minus 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 equal to. Okay, so square of minus 3. Square of minus 3 is 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 and minus into minus plus 9 plus 1. So this is 19 is the answer of second. F of minus 3 is equal to 19. Next, third answer, find f of x plus 1. Okay, so put x plus 1 in replacement of m. m के जगह आपको x plus 1 पुट करना है. तो फर्स्ट x plus 1 square minus 3 x plus 1 plus 1. तो a plus b bracket square, a plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. okay, उस फॉर्म में x plus 1 ब्रैकेट का स्क्वायर. so therefore x square plus 2x means 2ab और plus 1 square means 1 minus 3 into x minus 3x and minus 3 plus 1. So x square plus 2x minus 3x so minus x, so plus 1 plus 2 or minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is f of x plus 1. X square minus x minus 1 f of x plus 1. Next question, question number 4. Find x if f of x is equal to g of x, where f of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x square and g of x is equal to 11x square. Question number 4 from same exercise 2.1. So here f of x is equal to g of x, दोनों फंक्शन इक्वल है. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to g of x. This is a given. So therefore write down x raised to 4 plus 2x square is equal to 11x square. Okay, both are equal functions. Okay, यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ इस साइड में. Therefore x raised to 4 plus 2x square is equal to 11x square. So after solving x square plus 2x square minus 11x square is equal to 0. Same, therefore x square minus 9x square is equal to 0. X raised to 4. So taking x common factor, sorry x square common factor, so remaining terms in brackets are x square minus 9 bracket complete equal to 0. So therefore x square is equal to 0 and second bracket x square minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, x square equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. फर्स्ट वैल्यू आ रहा है x is equal to 0. सेकंड x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9, माइनस 9 है, राइट साइड में आ रहा है प्लस 9, so therefore x is equal to plus minus 3. Okay, the value of x is equal to 0 comma plus 3 or minus 3. Okay, next question, fifth number. If f of x is equal to 3x plus 5, g of x is equal to 6x minus 1, then find first into bracket f plus g, both are functions, and outside में x, second f minus g of x, f g of 3, f upon g of x. Okay, so first f plus g of x is equal to, okay, so f of x plus g of x, so f of x means 3x plus 5 plus g of x means 6x minus 9. ये f of x है और ये g of x. f of x means 3x plus 5 plus g of x means 6x minus 1. तो एडिशन यहाँ पे करना है. तो 3x plus 6x 9x plus 1 minus 1 plus 4. Okay, 9x plus 4 is answer of first. Next, second f minus g of x. Okay, so therefore f of x minus g of x. सेम दोनों फंक्शन का सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है यहाँ पे. so 3 plus 5 एक ब्रैकेट में माइनस 6x minus 1 सेकंड ब्रैकेट में 6x minus 1 g of x. Okay, so 3x plus 5 minus x minus into minus plus 1, so 3x minus 6x minus 3x and plus 6x is the second answer. Okay, next f of g. So f of 3 into g of 3. Okay, f g of 3, so f of 3 into g of 3, दोनों फंक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सिंपल एग्जांपल से, so 3x plus 5 6x minus 9. Okay, after multiplication of both bracket. Okay, दोनों ब्रैकेट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. और तो 3x plus 5 6x minus 9. So first 3 value of x is 3 plus and second 6 3 minus 1. तो इस ब्रैकेट में है 9 plus 5 और सेकंड ब्रैकेट में 18 minus 1, तो 14 into 16. Okay, तो 14 into 17 230 आ रहा है. So 4 f of g of x, so f of x upon g of x. Okay, दोनों फंक्शन का रेशियो है 3x plus 5, न्यूमरेटर में 3x plus 5 और डिनोमिनेटर में 6x minus 1. Okay, so स्टूडेंट्स इस सेकंड चैप्टर में एक ही एक्सरसाइज है, एक्सरसाइज 2.1. यहाँ पे हम 5 एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए. इसके पहले 2 टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शंस हमने स्टडी किए. ओके, यहाँ पे आप मैं समझता हूँ कि आपको ये सब एग्जांपल समझ में आ गए. तो आपको ये बुक आपको रेफर करना है. अगर रिकॉर्डिंग आप देख रहे हो तो मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिक्स कॉमर्स पार्ट फर्स्ट. ओके, थैंक यू.